Guys, we've got Anita from Elements Decor Canada. We've got another Canadian, another Vancouver Canadian. One of my favorite places. Such a beautiful city, such great food. And let's see what do we got here. So you've got 60 sales, which is really good. 12 reviews, which is really good. So you're off to the right foot. You're on the right track. That's what I was trying to say. Let's check out some of your products here. So we've got a champagne gold duvet cover set with matching 2 pillow covers. So beautiful colors there. Very pretty, very nice looking. Let's look at this one here. Yeah, so super simple, straight to the point. I think you could do a few more photos, but honestly, you're kind of giving away all the information you need already. So there's maybe, I will say, so some of the other photos you could do is showing how does the duvet close? Because I'll tell you, I know duvets. The thing about duvets is it's like the inner thing always slides out of it and it just becomes such a mess. So I would like to see, how does the duvet close? Is it a zipper? Is it a clasp? Is it a clip? Is it a button? How does it work? So I think a few more photos showing off some of those things would be nice to see. But this is a beautiful looking product here. So we got champagne gold duvet cover. Let's see here. Champagne gold duvet cover and 419 results. So not really like the biggest keyword here. Let's just try gold duvet cover. We've got 4,297. So a lot more, but it's not quite as relevant as the other one. So I don't know if it's necessarily a better keyword, but let's just try champagne because I feel like that was kind of the right keyword anyways. Let's see, champagne. I think I spelled it wrong. Champagne duvet cover. There we go. So that looks better to me because we've got 1,103 results. So much better. 1,103, very relevant. I would just cut the word gold out of this keyword for now. And Maria has a good suggestion. Try a fabric keyword like cotton, linen, microfiber. But Karen has a good suggestion too. Oops, bought my chair. Which is to go for a slightly bigger keyword like duvet cover and pillowcase set. So let's put these keywords down here. So we got champagne duvet cover, 1,103. Let's see here. We've got what was the other one? We've got duvet cover and pillowcase set, 5,300. There we go. So that's 5,848. So that's a really good one as well. Now, so I would recommend coming up with a few more like that, and you could more keywords like that. But the other big thing I'd recommend is making your photos a little bit more dramatic, a little bit more exciting. So if we look up that keyword we were just looking at, champagne duvet cover, these photos give you a much bigger, broader perspective. I can see the whole bed, I can see the bed frame, and obviously it's tricky to get such a exotic looking bedroom, but there's a few things that you could do if you do have a nice looking bedroom that you could make these a little bit more exciting. I think that would go a long ways and it would make them a little bit more appealing. See, there we go. This one, you've got the buttons, you're showing the buttons, you're showing how it works. This one, we've got a nice little, bag that it comes in. But I think, a more exotic or a little bit more exciting showing of the room would be really nice. And you can see right here, all of these ones right here, fancy looking bed. They've got a nice wall. They've got some plants. They've got some, nightstands. This one, they've got a plant, a chair. And, you could go get a nightstand, a chair, some lamps, and a fake plant. And boom, you've got a great staging environment to set up your duvets and make them look prettier. So I think that's probably the biggest thing that you could do to bring more life to your product, is to go out there and try and stage it with some of these other examples, just showing the whole bed a little bit bigger, a little bit broader. and so on. But I wouldn't necessarily recommend that you change your existing listings if you do those photos, because it looks like you're already doing well with the ones you have. So what you could do if you have new photos is you can just come into a product like this, you can clone it, make a copy of the listing, and then change out the photo on that duplicated listing, and then you've got two listings but with different photos, and that will help you. You can get even more traffic from it. But let's see here, 17, so 14 items. I don't know if you have more colors, but if you have, it'd be good to get more products overall into your shop. And the way you could do that, that would be really easy, would be just by duplicating the listings and changing out the photos on them. That would help you get more overall options and more colors and different things like that.